Hello, world. Everyone has a story to tell. Everyone. They have ideas to share or input to give. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way and free to share this story with the entire world. Yep, that's right, the entire planet Earth. From here on out, I'm going to use the analogy of a billboard. Now, real billboards cost a lot of money to build. They cost a lot of money to advertise on, and it takes time because you're sharing it. You're sharing time with other advertisers. Well, as with online billboards, you only have to build one, and the whole world can see it. It doesn't have to be in a location, and it's free. And you could build a bunch of these. So there's many ways to do this. Some people I'm going to use the billboard because even though we're building a website usually, you want to get the appearance right and everything. And we're not worried about that right now. We're worried about getting the message out. So the message is important, the appearance is not. And usually the appearance of your website is usually what costs a lot of money to get right. All right, so there's many ways to do this, but I'm going to use a place called Wix.com and then go to sign in. And here, if you have a Google account, you could use that to register with this website right here, or you could just sign up. Okay, now I'm logged in. So I'm going to go here, create new site. Okay, I'm just going to say skip. I'm going to say skip. Then I'm going to pick create your website with the editor. Click blank templates. And then I'm going to click this one, start from scratch. All right, so now it's going to build our billboard. We're halfway there. So now I just encourage you to discover your passions. Figure out what makes you get up in the morning excited. Find people who have similar passions and start building those relationships and working together, because in the world we live in right now, we need each other. And all of us as individuals see different problems and solutions around us if we just look, and we can share that. Share that on your billboard. I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. So if you don't know what your passion is, or maybe you know people who have that passion and you can help them, develop theirs and share it with the world by, doing what I'm doing here in this video. This is an opportunity to reinvent yourself, with COVID out there affecting us all. Start that business you've always wanted to. Did you know that there are online classrooms that you could use for free to teach people things? If you've been in this life for any length of time, there's always going to be something that other people want to know. So, there's classrooms that you could use for free, and I'm talking about places like Zoom or Slack mainly. It's easy to accept online payments as well for your contributions. Just look on my channel there. I have something called the PayPal Me link. That's one way, one quick way. But there's Zelle nowadays. There's Cash App. Easy ways to get paid. So go out and help people. You can't fail if you're trying to help people. All right, so here we are. We have a billboard now. It's an empty one. I could hit publish right now, and it'll be ready to share with the world in seconds. That's amazing, for free. So I'm not going to leave it blank. I'm just going to add some text by hitting this add button, and then I'm going to go to text, and then I'm going to click add heading. So now we have a heading on our billboard, and we can edit this text by clicking this. And I'm just going to type hello world. Then I'm going to click publish. All right. So here is an important concept. This is called a link, and this is very important that you remember your link to this billboard. You can't change this part, and your part is going to look different based on your account. As far as RS login, that's my account. Yours will be here, and then this part you can change. So I'm going to say my billboard. I can't see here. Okay, and then save and continue. So now the site is saved, and when you publish, the following will be your domain. So this is a link and it won't change. So you could pretty much say you can create business cards based on this. It won't change. And when people go to this site, they'll see your billboard. And you could circulate this anywhere in the world. You could pay people, like pay places like Google to circulate it for you. Or you can take those business cards and circulate it in your local area. So now we're going to publish it so people can see it. Congratulations, your site is published and live online. So now people all around the world can see this. All you have to do is get this link to them, whatever means necessary. But this will not change. And you have something on the internet that people can go to anytime, 24 hours, 7 days a week. There's no reason why everyone in the world can't share what they have to say with doing something like this. So please just do it for somebody else. You could do this many times and it doesn't cost anything. And it's up 24/7. Let's view the site. You could type this in yourself and you'll see the same thing. There's the link that people will type in. And here's the website, or billboard, sorry. Same thing, but we're going to call it a billboard. Here's the price of free, a little advertisement from Wix, but no big deal. On billboards, they have that advertisement, down at the bottom here. So, all right. So now let's put some real content on your billboard, and I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. Let's say you already know some other applications, like if you already know Word or Publisher or something like that. You can even take a picture. The idea here is we're going to use a picture, any picture you want. And it's just like a real billboard. We're just going to paste it on the billboard, and that's that. So if you know any other program that you could do to advertise, you could use that. And this is how you're going to capture that. Well, first of all, if you take a real picture, you just take that picture and get it on your computer somehow. But if you have something like Word or PDF file or some picture on the computer, this is how you're going to take a picture of it. This is called the snipping tool. I'm using Windows, but every operating system has this type of capability. So we're going to go to snipping tool, and you can hit the start button and start typing snipping, and that'll come up. I'll show you that here. Right, there you go, snipping tool. I'm going to click it. And then I'm going to draw, see how it kind of grayed out? It's ready to capture. You have this crosshair here. I'm going to click and drag what I want to capture. I'm going to save it to, I'm going to save it to my desktop for quick access. So say my billboard content. Okay, let's save. Okay, we can close the snipping tool or minimize it if we're going to use it later. I'll just minimize it. I'm going to go back to our billboard, and I'm going to close this. It opened up a new tab. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to say done. Now, we'll close that. I'm going to delete this. I think you can highlight it like that and hit the delete button. And that deletes it. You could undo it if you accidentally did that. But now to add that picture or any content that is in your picture, you go to image, go to my image uploads. I'm going to upload, find that picture, upload from computer, go to desktop. There's that image. Double click it, and it's going to upload it. Okay. Now I'm going to select it just in case it's not. It looks like it is. Let me see something. Okay. So if it's not selected, this is not available. So I'm going to select it and add to page. And that's it. So whatever you put in that picture, it's going to show up on the website, on your billboard, and you could just hit publish again. And then after it's published, it will tell you it's ready. And let's view the site again. It opened up a new tab, and that's all you have to do to reach out to the entire planet. You just share this link. This is, remember, it's a link. This doesn't change. You could make business cards out of it. And that's the cool thing. If you make business cards, you don't have to put your number on the business card. That might change, or your email address that might change. This won't change. So put maybe a message on there. I recommend 6 words or less. So my message was, everyone has something important to say. And then you put your link below it, and that's it. People can find out more information by going to your link or your billboard or website. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notify bell for future videos. And please leave your comments below. I want to read them. I'm interested, and I'll make changes as needed. My next video I'm really excited about is about computer programming. I'm going to show you in less than an hour what to focus on, what computer programming is, and why it's important, and why everyone should know a little bit about it, because computer programs are in every industry. So it's good to know a little bit, and you'll be able to do a lot with it. So stay tuned. Also, please consider contributing to the channel.